Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm standing in front of the all-new Maverick R, and I've got the brains behind RYCO Motor here. They are already in the works of getting the street legal / turn signal kit worked up for the Maverick R. It's going to be a very slick kit on this machine for sure. We'll keep you guys posted along the way. It does take some time to get a kit like this put together, but they've gone through, they're checking things out. We're going to be able to tie the indicator lights up in the dash. It's going to be very slick like the X3s and about every model for machine that they build a kit for. We'll update you along the way. As far as timing goes, as of right now, we do not have timing available for when the kits will be here in the store, but just wanted to do a shout out to RYCO for coming out. We've had the machine here for a couple of days and they're on it. Have a great day, everybody. Give us a call, shoot us a text, 435-427-3338.